Welcome to Family Recipe Kar. Let's make ananas menskai or pineapple goju, a South Karnataka spicy, tangy and sweet curry. Ingredients: 7 to 8 green chilies, chopped pineapple, 2 teaspoons of urad dal, 3 teaspoons of coriander, 1 teaspoon of jeera and methi, and about 3 teaspoons of black til, 2 teaspoons of chana dal, and about 7 to 8 red chilies, 1 cup of grated coconut, and equal amount of jaggery. For seasoning, we have some coconut oil, 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons of urad dal, about 8 to 9 curry leaves, and 2 teaspoons of black til. Taken a kadai and we're adding some coconut oil. Let's heat it. To this, let's add 2 teaspoons of urad dal and fry it. To this, we've added chana dal. And now let's fry it again. Let's add 3 teaspoons of coriander seeds and we shall fry it again. We've kept the mixture aside and now we are adding 1 teaspoon of jeera, 3 teaspoons of black til, and we shall fry it and then keep this mixture aside. We've taken 7 to 8 red chilies and we shall fry this separately. 1 cup of grated coconut to this. We should stir it for a while. It's done. Let's transfer this to the mixer jar and grind it coarsely. Instead of these red chilies, you could also use Badagi chilies, about 15 of them. It gives a very nice color and more masala. Let's grind it. To the ground mixture, let's add all that we have fried and grind it again. In another kadai, let's add the cut pineapples, about 5 to 6 lit green chilies, and crystal salt, about 2 teaspoons. Pour required amount of water and let it boil. To the kadai, we are adding about 1 tablespoon of tamarind water. The pineapple is partially cooked, and if the pineapple is sour, you could reduce the amount of tamarind water added. We shall also now add in the ground paste to it. We've added the required amount of jaggery to this. Based on how sour or sweet the pineapple is, you can add the tamarind water and the jaggery accordingly. Let's give it a good mix and adjust the consistency by adding water. Bring it to boil. For seasoning, in a kadai, let's take 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Let's add the mustard seeds and allow it to splutter. We are going to add about 2.5 teaspoons of urad dal and a fistful of curry leaves. Let's add 2.5 teaspoons of black til and fry it for a while. Let's transfer the seasoning to the kadai and we are done.